The 2024 CASA Summit, held in Livingstone, Zambia, is a critical gathering where leaders from 5 nations, Zimbabwe, Namibia, Botswana, Angola and host Zambia, convene to discuss the future of one of the world's largest conservation areas. The Kavango-Zambezi Transfrontier Conservation Area, or CASA TFCA, spans an impressive 520,000 square kilometers across these countries. It's a sanctuary not only for over 227,900 elephants, but also hosts a myriad of other wildlife species and biodiverse ecosystems. This area is pivotal as it houses 2/3 of Africa's elephant population and includes essential rivers like the Okavango and Zambezi, which sustain this rich biodiversity. President Hichilema, alongside other African leaders, is spearheading discussions on how to enhance conservation efforts and bolster tourism in this vast area. The summit isn't just a political formality, it's a vital platform for these nations to voice their unique challenges and collaborative solutions in wildlife management. A hot topic this year is the ongoing debate about the ivory trade. Delegates are pushing for reconsideration of the ban imposed by CITES, citing the immense elephant populations that, in their view, could support sustainable trade and benefit conservation funding. This is controversial, yet it underscores the complex balance between conservation and economic needs in these regions. Moreover, the unveiling of the new tourism brand, Rivers of Life, marks a significant stride toward redefining CASA as more than just a wildlife haven. It's a source of life and culture, reflecting the deep connections between the people, their heritage, and the natural landscapes. In these discussions, leadership matters. As Zimbabwe takes the chair of the CASA TFCA Coordinating Committee, there's renewed hope for innovative strategies that respect both the ecological integrity and the socio-economic realities of the communities within CASA. This summit is truly about breaking boundaries, geographical, political and economic, to forge a sustainable future where conservation and human development go hand in hand. It's about preserving our planet's treasures for future generations while enhancing the lives of those who live within these borders today. Thank you for joining me in exploring these important initiatives. The decisions made here could very well shape the future of conservation in Africa and beyond. Let's keep a keen eye on how these discussions evolve, supporting the vision of a harmonized approach to environmental stewardship and community prosperity. Until next time, let's remember that every effort we make in conservation is a step towards a better, more sustainable world for all.